What go on, man?
You for tell me what go on, you know.
Hear me now. This whole thing here gone too far. You understand? The end today. Go for ya.
So you say, you run something up on me.
Brother, money no mean nothing right now. Worse. How you deal with that, brother? Let me tell you something. Now make this go no further. Go for ya.
Oh man, you have to run something up on me still, man. We can't just do work, so man, I want to tell you. Alright, you run things, you know, so I say I will.
Like girl, shut! That is a joking, this girl.
Cara.
Will you stop for me? Not to say a serious thing I'm supposed to.
Are you okay? It's your mother. It's me. Yes. Come.
Tiffany, what? Drop that, let me go. Mr. Let me go. Tiffany, what are you doing? Who this?
You're out.
Who is this? Most buddy, just give me a minute. I'm a mother. Talk to her. What you doing, Tiffany? What you doing? What is this? You have me worried, thinking that you were kidnapped. You do something like this? You know what kind of trouble you can get yourself into, Tiffany? How did you find me? I was literally against the wall. She lick her head. You lick her head? You lick her head, Tiffany? The police them on to you. I mean, it's nothing that Mr. Wallace can't fix, right? Big and mighty Mr. Wallace. Or should I say, Uncle Marcus, mommy. Oh, so that's why you're acting out. This is why you're acting out, huh? Acting out? Acting out is what you call this? You were the one who betrayed me for years, robbed me of my childhood, and you're going to turn up here shouting, acting all entitled. Where was that entitlement when you were lying down in bed with Uncle Carlton? You don't think you want to mention to me at some point in life that it's a possibility that Mr. Wallace wasn't my father? And you're saying I am acting out? Please, you better never turn up here today.
Michelle.
Let go!
Michelle.
You think we need one another this for happen? Eh? But try my best to protect your Tiffany no matter what. And you pull something like this? Eh? You put yourself in a danger. You put all of it at risk by doing this.
Pretty. You have enough?
Mother, please listen to whoever this is.
You might be a mother, but you don't know her. That's what I say.
Well, evidently I don't know her. Who are you?